Hey, can you make an air raid noise?
What?
Because I'm recording it so my brother can see.
So what? Who can see?
My brother.
Okay. But don't film me, please.
I won't.
You gonna film the mess in our house?
I'm already filming.
Tell them that our house is usually not that messy.
Our house is usually not this messy.
There's an air raid going on as well.
There is an air raid going on. It could be the Japs.